How do you choose the right attorney for your budget? Well, it's a complicated question because you do want to consider your budget for your divorce when you are figuring out what to do. But I'm going to tell you this. I personally don't think that you should consider your budget when you choose which attorney or which law firm to hire. You want to choose the best attorney that you can afford. And divorce litigation specifically is kind of like ordering from a menu. There are so many different options. You can send subpoenas, you can take a million depositions, you can hire an expert for children and finances and an expert on the cost of houses and an expert on, children's schools. You can go soup to nuts and go absolutely crazy and spend all of your money and then some. But you really don't need to do that. So what I would rather you do is go to a really fantastic attorney or law firm and look at their menu and pick the cheaper things on the menu, because they're still going to have that amazing attention to detail, because their reputation of that really good restaurant and that really good law firm still matter. That's better than going to a cheaper restaurant that's going to give you indigestion and heartburn. Because let me tell you, hiring an amateur or hiring a really crappy attorney that's going to phone it in, that's going to give you a whole lot of indigestion and that's going to give you a whole lot of heartburn. So when looking at your budget, look at the case strategy, look at the menu of options that you have chosen, and that's where you define your budget. The best attorney you can afford with a case strategy that matches your budget. Remember, your divorce is an investment in your future, and you don't want to cheap out. And if you think it's really expensive to hire an expert, try hiring someone that's going to mess it up. It'll be a whole lot more expensive to fix.